Okay guys, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Mike. Today's video is going to be another 10-minute Yin Yoga for beginners. So a lot of you really like my other 10-minute Yin Yoga video up here. So I decided to make another one for you all. So I hope you guys enjoy. When you're ready, roll up your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin the sequence coming into an extended child's pose. So bringing the knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. And from here we'll extend the arms out long. You can rest your forehead in the mat here. And from here just come back to your breath. So whenever I do Yin Yoga, I really like to practice a 6 and 6 breath. So inhaling for 6 seconds and exhaling for 6 seconds. So feel free to do that breathing exercise or just breathe however you like to. And on your next exhale, let's shift forward, coming onto our bellies. And we'll come into a Sphinx Pose here. So stacking the elbows underneath the shoulders, forearms, and the hands out in front of you. Opening up the heart here. Again, feel free to close your eyes and just come back to your breath. on your next exhale, slowly release. From here, we'll make our way onto our backs. And once we get to our backs, let's hug our knees into our chest. And let's just give ourselves a nice big hug here. Feel free to rock side to side, massaging the spine. And then from here, we'll take a supine twist. So let's start by extending that left leg long, keeping our right knee hugging into our chest. And then from here, let's guide our right knee over to the left side and bring our right arm into a T. And really make sure to keep both shoulders rooted in the mat here. So if you're coming down and your right shoulder is coming up off the mat, see if you can just dial it back just a little bit so the shoulders are just firmly rooted in the mat here. Again, you can close your eyes, come back to your breath. And exhale, come back to center. We'll take it over to the other side. So let's extend our right leg long and hug our left knee back in. And then from here, let's guide our left knee over to the right so our left arm can come into a T. And again, just make sure both shoulders are rooted in the mat. So if your left shoulder is coming up off the mat, see if you can dial it back just a little bit. Come back to your breath. And exhale, slowly bring it back to center. From here, we'll move into our final pose. So coming into a reclined butterfly. So let's just simply bring the soles of the feet together, letting the knees open up wide, letting the hips open up here as well. And a couple options with your hands. You can either let them rest down by your sides, or you can have one hand on your belly and the other on your heart. See if you can notice your hips open up gradually with each breath. And on your next exhale, let's extend the legs out long, coming into final Savasana, taking up space, extending the arms out long here as well. Feel free to stay here, or if you want to, we can rock up into a seated position of your choice. And wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our hearts. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. If you would like me to make more of these 10-minute Yin Yoga videos, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do so. And from here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.